Flixenroll.com is a platform that claims you can earn money by completing simple tasks like watching Netflix movies, writing reviews, and answering surveys, which sounds appealing at first glance. However, once you dive into the experience, several red flags start to show up. The website makes big promises about easy earnings, but those claims feel too good to be true. During the process, there are frequent redirects to unrelated and sometimes shady websites, which raises serious privacy concerns. It's also hard to find any real transparency about who runs the platform or where the money supposedly comes from. While they present themselves as being connected with big names like Netflix, there's no solid proof backing that up, making it seem like a fake association meant to build trust. The tasks themselves are basic, and while they might look legit, the end result doesn't lead to any actual payout or proof of income. Overall, the site leaves you questioning whether it's a genuine opportunity or just another clever trick to collect your data or clicks without offering anything real in return.